are here as DJ for the Megong Festival. Can you tell us about the program, what you are going to perform?
So I am doing my DJ set of 60-90 minutes of all techno, EDM and some Bollywood, and this is a great audience and I'm so excited to be here because my mother is from Meghalaya, Shillong, and this is just so amazing for me to be here.
Can you tell us more details about your mother? We are coming from Shillong. Can you tell us more about the mother?
So my mother is born and brought up in Shillong and she got married to my father. We have a house in Lower Morbrim which is closed right now, which is ours. And I have so many fond memories of coming to Shillong, having Norgoo's ka famous momos, meeting my relatives in all over like Shillong, and going to that, what is that, Shillong Peak, Sweet Peak, whatever it's called.
Switch Falls, Shillong Peak. Shillong Peak.
अच्छा, ये लैपटॉप काट। No, what is that called? No, क्या बोलते हैं, क्या peak है? What is that peak? Shillong Peak, right? Shillong Peak, yeah. So going to Shillong Peak and so many amazing memories here. So for me, every summer vacation used to be coming to Shillong, and I love Shillong and I love being in Meghalaya. So coming to Megong Festival feels like coming back home.
Okay, it must be nostalgic for you because how many times do you visit Shillong?
Oh my God, I visited Shillong so many times I don't even remember. I know all the places where we used to go. I know we used to go to shopping to Police Bazaar and visit all our relatives all over and go to Elephant Falls, right? Elephant Falls and I've always thought Shillong was such a beautiful place, and for some reason I know a lot of people in the north are not so aware of Shillong, and I used to always make them aware. This is the Scotland of India and it is so beautiful and so clean, and we also have our coal mine in Monsoonram. So going to Monsoonram, Cherrapunji and all used to be a regular, and I just love being here.
Okay, you had a break from films. Why is it that long break? We have seen a lot of movies with John Abraham and all.
Okay, so I'm married now, I have kids, and I get a lot of offers for OTT movies and everything, but my passion has always been music. That's the reason I want to be involved with music. Hence I chose being a DJ and a music producer because that gives me access to the world and how famous I become. It doesn't matter anymore.
So no plan to go back to movies.
So I have amazing offers in the pipeline. I just, I know at some point I'll get this thing and I'll maybe suddenly decide, maybe let's do it. I'm on that verge. So if I do it, it'll be a big announcement. Let's see if I do it. I might. Thank you.
Can you
Ask
tell
me a
us?
question like that.
Yeah, can you the connection more about this Kasi connection?
So I know a lot of curse words in Kasi, which I will not say. I know a lot of more things in Kasi. My mother understands Kasi very well, and I think whoever lives in Shillong is such a bilingual state. Like Meghalaya is such a bilingual state. My mother knows Assamese, she knows Nepali, she knows Kasi, and so many languages here. And I think it's amazing. If you are from Meghalaya, you know so many languages. Half of my cousins, they are all Marwanyans. So they are half Nepali, half Marwanyans. So I have a lot of Catholic and Nepali and Christian connection, and